Welcome to Zeo Route Planner. In this video, we will explore recurring routes. Recurring routes are designed for businesses with fixed, daily, or repeat deliveries. It lets you schedule routes to repeat automatically, daily, weekly, or monthly, which helps you save hours of daily setup, eliminates mistakes from re-entering the same routes, keeps deliveries reliable, and ensures drivers always know their schedules ahead of time. It is part of our fleet management plan, our most powerful tier built for advanced operations. And if you're on a free trial, you'll enjoy full access to this feature. Let's start with creating a new route. Click Create Route and assign the driver. Once done assigning, enter the start location and end location and add the start time, start date, and end date. Once all the information is filled, tick the checkbox for Scheduled Route option. Now it's time to upload your stops. Click on Browse File and choose the Excel file from your computer that contains all your delivery addresses. Once selected, the system will guide you through a mapping screen. If you're unsure what format to use, don't worry. You can download a sample file directly from the upload window. The sample shows exactly what kind of information Zeo needs. Click Proceed. Then confirm mapping, and once mapping is confirmed, click Submit. Your stops will appear on the screen inside Zeo. After checking that all addresses look correct, simply click Save and Optimize. Zeo will then process the data and build the most efficient route for you. Since you checked Scheduled Route, Zeo will now show a Set Schedule option beside your route. When setting the recurring route frequency, choose one of the three options: daily, weekly, or monthly. Daily means the route will repeat every day. Select the start and end date of your schedule. Now comes weekly. Weekly allows you to pick specific weekdays, such as Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. You can choose schedule start and end dates. Now comes monthly, which lets you choose exact dates like the 18th, 19th, 20th, or 21st, and you can also repeat once every 2 or 3 months. This flexibility ensures your schedule matches your delivery pattern exactly. Next, assign drivers. You can assign a single driver for all occurrences. You can use the day plan option to assign different drivers for different weekdays. You can use date overrides to assign specific drivers on specific dates. If Lee is off on the 29th, you can assign Daniel just for that day. Step 3. Blackout periods. Sometimes deliveries should not run, such as on public holidays or company breaks. With blackout periods, you can simply mark the days on a calendar. If a blackout date falls on your schedule, the route will be skipped automatically. Once the schedule is set up, you can save it by clicking Save Schedule option. Another way to set a recurring route is directly from your dashboard. Look at the list of routes you have already created. Each route has a 3 dots menu on the right-hand side. Click on the 3 dots and choose Set Scheduled Route. This will open the same scheduling menu where you can set the frequency, assign drivers, and add blackout periods. Once you are done scheduling and are happy with the schedule made, click Save Schedule. There is one more way to set schedule. You can also schedule a route directly from the Routes tab. Go to Routes from the side menu. Here you will see a table of all your routes. Each row has a 3 dots menu on the right-hand side. Click the 3 dots and select Set Schedule. This will once again open the scheduling menu where you can configure the frequency, drivers, and blackout periods. This method is helpful if you are reviewing all of your routes in one place and want to quickly convert one into a recurring schedule. Now, what if you want to edit a route? From the playground, go to Routes. In the Routes tab, you'll see all your routes. Scheduled routes are marked with a Scheduled tag, while one-time routes show a Normal tag. If you want to make changes to a schedule, simply go to the Scheduled tab. Click on the 3 dots next to the route, select Edit, make whatever changes you want in your frequency drivers and blackout period, and then click Save Schedule to apply them. When you edit a route from the Scheduled tab, remember this very carefully. Any changes you make here will apply to all upcoming routes in the future. That means if you change the driver, timings, or stops, the same changes will automatically reflect in every scheduled run that follows. To do this, click on the three dots next to the route and select Edit Route. You can modify everything. You update locations, adjust start and end dates and times, or upload stops from Excel, available stops, favorites, or even an image. You can also set start and end locations or delete stops as needed. Once you're done, click Save and Optimize, and instantly all future routes in that schedule will be updated with your edits. But sometimes, you may only want to make changes for today's route only. Without touching any of your future runs, go to the Routes tab. Here you'll see only today's active route. Click on the three dots and select Edit. Now the edits you make will apply only to today's trip. Adjust start and end dates and times, or upload stops from Excel. Available stops, favorites, or even an image or modifying stops will apply only to today's trip. Your recurring schedule for tomorrow, the next day, and all future dates will stay exactly the same, untouched. Once you're done, click Save and Optimize to confirm the changes. If you want to view your route on map, you can go to Routes, then under Schedule, you can click three dots and View on Map. On clicking on that, you can see the route created by Zeo. What if you want to delete a schedule? From the playground, click Routes, and after that, go to Schedules. For deleting, simply click the three dots and select Delete. You can delete an individual route to remove only that day's run. You can also delete an entire schedule, which removes all future runs but keeps past and completed routes safe in your history. Zeo automatically creates recurring routes 2 to 3 hours before the scheduled start time. Drivers are notified instantly, so routes are always fresh, optimized, and ready when they begin their day. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to use the Recurring Routes feature. Recurring Routes puts your deliveries on autopilot. No more rebuilding routes every day. Just set them once, and Zeo takes care of the rest. Reliable, automated, stress-free deliveries every time. Upgrade to the Fleet Management Plan or try it free to unlock recurring routes and let Zeo handle the planning. Happy routing with Zeo.